The belief in the little people is widespread not only in Europe, but also among the native peoples of North America. In this video series, we analyze the body of beliefs relating to the hidden people in the traditions of the Cherokee, Choctaw, Creek, Seminole, and Chickasaw. The belief in the existence of the little people is an integral part of the folklore of numerous ancient traditions, among which the best known are those of Northern Europe, Iceland, Ireland, Scotland, Scandinavia, and Germany. The existence of the hidden people, it has been handed down orally over the millennia within all these cultures. According to the legends, their attitude is, as often happens in the case of supernatural beings of the type trickster, twofold. On the one hand, they confer wisdom and occult knowledge on man. On the other, they provoke him with spite, causing him to be lost in the woods, frightening him, and even causing his death. The folklore of the native peoples of North America provides a very large recurrence of legends on one little race of men that lives deep in the woods, near the ancient burial mounds or rocks near waterways or the Great Lakes. In mythical narratives, they are often described as shaggy-faced dwarves, hairy-faced dwarfs, while some petroglyphs depict them with horns traveling in a canoe in groups of 5 or 7. Among the Amerindian peoples, people refer to them by the names of Kanakawasa, Nunnehi, Yaganashi, others. According to traditional narratives, it is a population of very small beings, less than a meter tall. Apart from the information about their small size, little is known about their physical appearance. However, many testimonies describe them as having long white beards and wearing very old-fashioned clothes, similar to the European tradition of gnomes et similia, since they remain mostly invisible, except for people to whom they spontaneously decide to show themselves, children or medicine men. It is also told of how they play pranks to man, for example by intoning a tune and then hiding or making themselves invisible when someone, intrigued by the melody, looks for its source. The little people's predilection for children. It is said that they help them in case of parental abuse, or if they get lost in the woods. Other legends report that, if they were seen by an adult, they would advise him not to talk about their existence and would reward those who are able to keep their word by helping him in cases of difficulty. The disposition of character of the small people, therefore, changes according to the geographical origin of the various narratives, from tribe to tribe, and not infrequently, as we shall see, we will find a singular heterogeneity of attitudes within the small people, even in the testimonies of individual tribe. This video series will examine the folkloric and mythical testimonies and beliefs handed down by members of the native tribes who originally inhabited North America.